come out when you've learned to be a loving daughter.
Hello everybody, I hope you're doing great. As you see, I'm back with another movie's character makeup tutorial, and you probably know which character we're going to be today, but I'm super excited to tell you this myself. The character is the other mother in Coraline, and I can say it was one of my favorite cartoons when I was a kid. Actually, it a little freaked me out, but I like creepy things, so I think you're gonna like it, and let's get it started.
You're not my mother. My mother doesn't have
Buttons? Do you like them? I'm your other mother, silly. Now go tell your other father that supper's ready.
I know there's no need to remind you again, but please, for God's sake, use a moisturizer. These cosmetics are so dry and you're gonna hurt your skin after a while, so use it. Thanks God we don't need a foundation for this makeup. I was running out of foundation. We just need to specify our face, the other mother face, in our face with some black lines. Alright, now we black these parts completely. These parts are done. Now I wanna white this part and then paint on it. So I've just decided before drawing my face and painting it white, draw some buttons. We should draw 2 buttons for each eye. This button should be a little bit bigger than this one because it's like doing this, the character I'm going to draw. I look like an idiot, but yeah, this one should be much bigger than this one. Now that I know where the buttons are, I can paint the other parts. So as you can see, this part is over, and now I'm gonna work on the nose. It's a little bit, vital, so we have to focus a lot on it. It's time for fading and drawing the nose shadows to the outside. See, now the nose is like the cartoon's nose, but honestly it looks like a hand. These parts and also here where the black parts meets the white parts, we have some shadows that with some black eyeshadows and black pencils, I'm gonna draw these shadows. I'm gonna paint the buttons and then I'm gonna draw the eyebrows. Good luck! You're allowed to use these colors for your eyebrows, but I prefer to use eyebrow shadows because I feel like it's safer. I look more like monkey than the other mother. Sad. Close your eyes for a minute or maybe 2 minutes and let it dry. And then you can open it.
Where are they? The ghost eyes.
Hold on. We aren't finished yet, are we?
No, I suppose.
So now I have to clean some parts like beside my nose with white color, and also I have to put some light inside the buttons. So again I use white color. Well, to be honest, I ruined this part. So again, I have to use black pencil and remain cute. And now that we let everything dry, now I can paint the white strings on my eyes, on the buttons. Alright, so before I go and have my lipstick. I prefer to go and work on the neck, a tiny neck. These are the bones, and for making it more natural, I'll probably use black and red eyeshadows for here. I'm actually satisfied with this makeup. Well done. Okay, now I'm gonna have my black lipstick, and then I'm gonna draw an ugly move here. I crossed my heart, my teeth are not as yellow as you see. It's just because the black lipstick. Oh god. And we are finished with the other mother in Coraline. Maybe I look a little bit arrogant, but I can't tell you how satisfied I am with this makeup. I hope you all like it and do it. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That makes me happy. And if you don't, I promise that I will come to your dreams at night. If you don't want me to, with this yellow tip. So subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to tell me your thoughts and opinion in the comments. I love you guys, all of you, and don't forget to subscribe.
Coraline, they aren't there. Now, you're going to stay here forever.